All right, now this time we see another shaded area. Once again, that means we're talking about a system of inequalities. So because what we're seeing is everything below the parabola, but it's also including the boundary line, we know that our inequality for parabola is going to be everything less than or equal to the parabola. So that's the first inequality. The second inequality includes our line, but it's also everything below the line. Okay, now I know that because if it were everything above the line, this area would not be shaded. Okay, so it has to be everything below the line as well. Now, we wrote our equation on the previous couple of slides like this. So it's everything below the line, but it doesn't include the boundary line. So we just say y is less than -1/2 x plus 2. This would be the system of inequalities that we see solved on the graph to the right.